Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your personal GPT. It will take you less than 5 minutes to make one. Go to your ChatGPT app, tap here, tap on your name, then you see the option My GPTs, tap there, and then you will see your existing GPTs. Click on Create GPT. There are three options, Create, Configure, and Preview. We're going to start with Configure. You see the plus sign at the top, you can upload an image there. Next is name. I'm going to write Job Seeker RM. A brief description about what this GPT will be used for, and then instructions. What does GPT do? How does it behave? Or what it shouldn't do? So you provide those instructions to the GPT, which I'm going to generate from ChatGPT and paste it here. And then there are conversation starters like prepare a short bio from my resume or find the jobs related to my recent experience. Things like that a person could directly click. And next, for the knowledge here, for this particular one, I'm going to upload my resume, but you could upload any data, any manuals or anything depending on what kind of GPT you are making. Now I'm ready to preview my Job Seeker RM GPT. So here I'm going to press on the conversation starter, prepare a short bio. You could see that right away it generated a short bio based on my resume. And I think it's pretty cool. It did a good job. So now I'm ready to save it. There are three options, only me, people with link, or public. I'm going to save it as only me. And now my GPT is ready. So why don't we go ahead and test it out? I asked it to find the job opportunities based on my recent work experience and only find opportunities in New York, both remote and in person. However, I forgot to tell it that find jobs at manager or director level. So I'm going to add it. Once it's done searching, you can see it has generated few different options for the jobs. I'm going to click one of the links. And I open this first job and the experience looks pretty close to my experience. So I'm going to ask my GPT to help me prepare for the interview based on the job description and my resume. And you could see it has generated the questions based on the description of the job, and the answers are very relevant from my CV. This was just an example to get you started. Please share what you made and if it was helpful. Thank you.